Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you SofaBaton Universal Remote Controller. Before we're opening the remote controller, let's see. It supports up to 15 devices, complete IR code on the cloud, advanced OLED display, customizable macro key, customizable remote button, and mobile app. Let's go ahead and open it. When you first open it, you're gonna see the user manual, and here we have the remote controller, back side and the front side. It has a great quality, by the way, smooth, easy to press. We have two AA batteries right there. And we're gonna go ahead and install the application on my iPad and continue. Here we have the application. This is U series, and it says go ahead and press these. We're gonna go ahead and press these, and then it already shows over here. Let's go ahead and connect. Connection is successful. Right now everything is ready. We can go ahead and add some remote controller. Let me go ahead and add the TV here, add the device. Here is my original remote. This is infrared. Let's go ahead and choose infrared. Search in the database, learn from original IR remote. This is an awesome feature because you don't need to have a hub. You know, the hub, small thing, then it's gonna do the connection between the original and the SofaBaton remote controller. But right now we don't need that. Directly we're gonna use the remote controllers to learn. What it is saying is, please locate original remote and point U1 and U2 remote towards it. Let me go ahead and continue. All right, and next, you see, and press the icon of the key you want to learn. I'm gonna go ahead and continue with this. Let me go ahead and press and hold. Wow. Now it learned already. And I'm gonna continue with the input. Here is input. And I'm gonna go ahead and press that. And go ahead and press and hold. Let's see. Now learned. And here is menu. Here is exit, favorite, info. And I'm gonna use the menu as a home button. Let's go ahead and press home button and press and hold. Now it learned. How about the keys over here? Let's press that and press here. And we can make it quick. Left, right. You see, down, and okay. I'm getting professional for this. Awesome. And here we go. There is one. I can press one here. Let me complete all of them and then come back. I already added most of them. That's why I think these are enough. Let's go ahead and try to continue next. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the device name small TV. Done. And I'm just gonna continue. Right now it's being added, and you can see it over there. I only have one device right now. Let me go ahead and try to use it. Turn it off. Look at that, it's working properly. And turn it on. Now it's working. has menu button. You see, how about the arrows? That's also working. This is awesome. You don't have to use the hub, additional hub to pair it. This is all you need. Right now it is asking me to search the channels, but I'm gonna go back and the volume is working. Awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and try to add another device. I'm gonna go ahead and try to use Amazon Fire Stick. Try to add the remote controller. Let's see if it's gonna work or not. Let's try to add, it is Bluetooth, Fire TV, device icon. I'm just gonna choose Amazon, continue, next. It is showing all the instructions. I need to go to settings. Right there, live, fairy, and settings right there. Controllers, Bluetooth devices, and other Bluetooth devices. Add Bluetooth devices, new device is gonna be SofaBaton. Let's go ahead and choose add Bluetooth devices. Right now it's right there. And now it's pairing. Let's see. Right now it is paired. Let's try to use Fire TV and go back. You see, it is going back. Oh my God. It is working wonderful. You see, I can control everything. How about the volume, menu button, the home button? It's working. Alright, everything is working perfectly. You see, let me go to YouTube. Let me go to Prime Video. And open the app. You see, Fire Stick is working wonderfully. Let's try to watch. Alrighty. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because you're able to pair the Bluetooth devices at the same time infrared devices. Press and hold. Now we have two devices over here. I can either use Fire Stick or I can use this device, small TV. Let's see. Now it's on. You see, everything is working.